At least 26 more people have died in monsoon flooding and lightning strikes in India, as millions remain marooned in the country and neighboring Bangladesh, authorities said Monday. Floods are a regular menace in India and Bangladesh, but experts say climate change is increasing their frequency, ferocity, and unpredictability for the two countries' 1.6 billion people. In India's northeastern state of Assam, 3 people were killed in landslides while 6 others died in floodwaters, disaster management authorities said. More than 100,000 villagers are taking refuge in relief shelters. The state was first hit in April when pre-monsoon rains arrived, causing floods that killed 44 people. Monsoon storms have also unleashed devastating floods in Bangladesh that have left millions stranded and killed dozens so far.